Believe it or not, this cinematic shot of a neon-lit cyberpunk city was created using exactly one sentence. If you look at how most people use Midjourney today, you would assume that generating professional tier imagery requires typing an enormous, complicated paragraph of text. The common instinct is to dump every buzzword you can think of into the prompt bar. You start with robot, then you tack on future, blue, city, night, and finish with 8K and trending on ArtStation. The result is this: a confused, poorly composed mashup where the AI tried to satisfy every individual keyword without understanding how they fit together. Midjourney operates like an incredibly literal artist. It cannot read your mind. When you feed it a string of disconnected nouns, you aren't giving it clear instructions. You are just giving it noise. A bad output rarely means your prompt was too short. It almost always means your core instructions lacked clarity. To get reliable results, you have to stop treating prompts like computer code and start speaking to the AI in clear, natural sentences. This animated diagram breaks down the prompting process into an 8-step formula grouped into 3 distinct phases: foundation, direction, and control. This specific structure forces you to organize your thoughts before you start typing. First is the foundation. By combining your subject, a detailed description, and the environment, you set your baseline scene. Instead of just asking for a robot, you ask for a futuristic blue humanoid robot walking through a neon-lit cyberpunk city at night. Next is direction. Here, you apply lighting, camera settings, style, and colors to control the exact mood and aesthetic of that environment. This is where specific vocabulary acts as a precision tool. Words like beautiful or awesome don't give the AI anything concrete to work with. But asking for volumetric lighting or an 85mm lens tells Midjourney exactly how to render the light and depth of field. Look at the text on the left. That is the chaotic keyword dump we started with. Now look at the right. A futuristic blue humanoid robot walking through a neon-lit cyberpunk city at night. Cinematic lighting. It tells a complete, coherent story. And that single structured sentence produces this pristine cinematic still. Applying a rigid linguistic syntax eliminates the guesswork. You stop pulling the lever on a slot machine and start directing a predictable, creative tool. The final piece of the formula is the control phase, handled entirely by Midjourney's parameters. These are technical commands that format your image without cluttering your main text description. The first 2 sliders in this diagram control your canvas and artistic liberty. Aspect ratio, written as --AR, sets your dimensions for platforms like YouTube or Instagram. Stylize dictates how much artistic freedom the AI takes with your written prompt. The final 2 sliders, chaos and quality, handle structural unpredictability and render density. If you run the exact same prompt but crank the chaos parameter up, you get completely unexpected variations of the scene. Keep chaos low, and the outputs remain highly predictable. By attaching these formatting commands to the end of your prompt as parameters, your actual sentence stays focused purely on the visual content. The creative signal stays perfectly clean. There is a persistent myth that professional creators just type a prompt once and get exactly what they want on their very first attempt. They don't. This diagram illustrates the standard professional workflow, a continuous loop of create, improve, and repeat. The most critical step happens in the improve phase. You generate a first draft, look closely at what specific details the AI missed, and mentally build a checklist of corrections. When you go back to fix the prompt, the goal is to edit the structure of your original sentence to make those missing elements impossible to ignore. You don't just tack 5 more keywords onto the end and hit enter again. Try applying this exact 8-step formula to your next generation, and drop a comment below letting me know how it changes your final image. Perfecting a prompt is entirely an exercise in editing for clarity. Once you learn how to communicate your exact visual instructions, you stop hoping for a lucky result and start actively directing the final masterpiece.